Hello, I am Danielle and this is my enhancement activity for this week. So first of all, I'm going to click one of the category options, the Canon option, and I got here products inside this category. I'm going to validate the CSS, validate it, and I'm going to validate the local HTML. As you can see here, also validated. I'm going to click in this option, and as you can see here, I got my image, my product name, and all the other informations about this product, including the price and all the other options. I can go through each one of the categories and products, and I'll get the same result. And I'm also going to validate this page. Validate local CSS, validate it, and the HTML also validated. I'm going to show the responsive effect. It's getting responsive, as you can see here. So this is it. Thanks for watching.